Hey, what's up, guys? Happy Saturday. Today is April the 11th. We're on one of two projects today. We're out here in Athens, Georgia, not far from UGA. Shout out to UGA. They actually used me a few times to do some of their town halls where the kids, have their classes. So I greatly appreciate that. And with that being said, guys, we're out here doing a daycare wood floor, kind of like the one we did yesterday, red oak. Now, she said we did get quotes to sand it, but they didn't have the week to shut down to have this floor sanded. She said one guy said it took them about 4 or 5 days. She said, Courtney, we didn't have that long to wait. So they found me. I came out here, did an in-home consultation. They booked on the spot for the screen, recoat, color correction, and UV curing. And then after this, from Athens, I'm gonna go back to the shop, drop this van off, get in my small van, and head to Midtown to do a condo that was recommended to me from a client that I did 3 weeks ago in the same unit. So let's focus on this now, guys. Let me flip this around and show you what we got going today. All right, guys, so we are in Athens, Georgia. This is a commercial. This is Lifespan. It's a daycare. Beautiful little homes around here. And like I said, UGA is the opposite way. So let me flip this around and show you what we got going. And again, guys, this is why people love this service. If, it can be done, it's the convenience. Something they know it's not going to be perfect like a full sanding, but they didn't have the time, for it to be fully sanded. So this is what we're doing today. Red oak floors, very worn, as you can see. See, I'm about to bring this one back. Get the T, go ahead and get the vacuum so I can set that up. So this is one that's the kids playrooms. And all right, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna go ahead and start screening this floor down, and then vacuum, color correction, and then we're gonna go off and have some lunch, gas up. All right, guys, let's make it happen.
Hey, look at the floor. It's shiny. One day, look what they did. We can run and play, all the kids. Shiny floors, yeah, they glow so bright. We back on it, same day, same night. One day, Truman came through, made it look brand new just for you. No mess, no dust, we can play all day. Yay, for the Truman way. Old floor, looking kinda sad. Scratches and marks from all we had. Then they came in with the big machine. Now it's the prettiest floor we've ever seen. Who fixed it? Truman. Who made it shine? Who did it all in one day time? Yeah! Truman! One day, look what they did. We can run and play, all the kids. Shiny floors, yeah, they glow so bright. We back on it, same day, same night. Twice, no boo-boos, safe to play. We love our floors the Truman way. Tiptoe, look at that shine. Feels so good, it's so fine. Then we jump again. The best floor ever with all our friends. One day, shout hooray. We got brand new floors today. Run and laugh, hip hip hooray. Thank you, Truman, yay!
All right, guys, that is gonna do it. Floors came out great. That second job that we was gonna do, I'm gonna send my buddy Aaron to go knock it out. It was just a condo, because we're all the way in Athens, and by the time we get to the shop, it's gonna be about 4:30. And then by the time we get to Midtown, it can be 5:30, maybe 6, depending on traffic. So Aaron said, Courtney, I'll just go ahead and knock it out by myself. And yeah, guys, so overall, floors did come out great. Had a few lines that kind of popped up, but they said that's fine because they want to have some ruts going down anyway. Usually when the floor is that worn, sometimes you can have those. I try to get them out, but they would not come out, so you have to fully sand those out. Like they said, they had two quotes. They had one quote to cover the floor up, which they did not want to do. They had another quote to fully sand the floor, but it was more than double than what I charged them for today. And like she said, Courtney, it wasn't the money, it was the convenience. So this is perfect for a one-day recoat. Like I say, 50 to an 80% improvement. This is definitely 80%. Floor's got some great protection on it, and she said this is just a kid's room that they play in. It was probably the first time the floors have ever been touched. But overall, guys, floors look amazing. So Tavares is actually UVing. All right, guys. Thanks again for watching. We have a busy week next week, except next weekend. Not working next weekend. I'm actually might take that following Monday off as well. All right. See you in the next one.